Hello. I'm sick and my voice is like a feminine, feminine, feminine man or like a woman that's old and has smoked like all her life. And I also had to give a speech today with this voice. So I haven't heard from you in a while, and by that I mean you haven't done anything related to enandal, like since I posted a video like 500 hours ago. My hair is getting longer and it needs to be cut because the back doesn't stay up like it once did. Um, Finals are next week and the week after that, and I don't want to study. I amuse myself too much. My voice is hilarious. Hilarious. Like I can't even go that high pitched. Look. Ah, 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 ah. So attractive.